Welcome to my channel. I am Ben, the business analyst expert.
In today's video, I want to show you why I believe high-ticket affiliate marketing is the easiest and fastest way to make money online today. Before we start, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and click the bell icon to be notified for future videos. I want you to look at this email. This is an email I received from Coach Mark. He's sending me $5,250 worth of commission. Now I want you to take a look at these two screenshots. You can see I received $4,500 and then $750. I pretty much made $5,250 from a single sale. That is the power of high-ticket affiliate marketing. You're probably asking yourself, who is Coach Mark? Oh well, Coach Mark is the person that put together this whole system. Coach Mark has been in the digital space for over 30 years. He's made millions of dollars online and has been the top affiliate earner for multiple companies. He recently put together this amazing system, which I believe is one of the best high-ticket affiliate programs out there. It is a done-for-you system, so you do not need to create any website. You don't need to have any marketing skills or make any phone calls. All you need to do is sign up for the program and pay for advertising, and Coach Mark and his team will take care of the rest for you. The option is good for people with no experience with internet marketing. It can pretty much be a fully passive source of income. You also have the option to do your own advertising. I personally run my own ads, but again, this is optional. If you don't have any experience running ads, you don't have to do this. I want you to look at these stats. This is my Facebook ad account. As you can see, I spent around $1,100 on this particular ad set for the month of August, and I was able to generate 207 leads. Out of the 207 leads, 2 people already signed up for the program, and that's $10,500 in commission. I'm still following up with the rest of the leads, and I expect to get more sales. Even if I don't get any more sales, that's still $9,400 on profit. Let's say instead of $1,100, I spent $8,000 on ads to generate these 2 sales. That's still $2,500 in profit. With this type of system, it's almost impossible to fail. Coach Mark also has one of the best sales teams in the industry that will close all your deals for you. Pretty much your only job is to generate leads. And if you don't know how to generate leads, they can take care of that for you as well. I've been in the digital space for more than 8 years, and this is definitely one of the best systems I've come across. Click on the link below to access the program and decide if this is a good fit for you.
Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet, and don't forget to click the notification button. I hope you guys learned and enjoyed this video. Thank you, and have a great day.